The Heritage Foundation is demanding Prince Harry's US visa application be revisited, all because of what Harry talked about in his memoir, and now it's being said that the book doesn't act as proof. In his 2023 memoir, entitled Spare, Harry told personal anecdotes that involved recreational drug use, and the Heritage Foundation considers this a confession and is using it against Harry. The conservative think tank would like to know what Harry answered in his US visa application, when asked about drug use, and whether or not the US government made an allowance for him, showing him favoritism, based on his being a member of the royal family. But a lawyer for the Biden administration is arguing, for all we know, the stories could have been made up, or, at the least, embellished. John Bardo, a lawyer for the Biden administration, who said, "The book isn't sworn testimony or proof that the Duke of Sussex did in fact take illegal drugs," reports The Telegraph. Bardo added, "Saying something in a book doesn't necessarily make it true." Judge Carl J. Nicholas is presiding over the case at a federal courthouse in Washington, D.C. At one point, he raised concerns that referring to the Duke as Prince Harry was too informal and that the Duke of Sussex was more appropriate. This is the second time the Heritage Foundation has demanded the Department of Homeland Security release Harry's US visa application and immigration records. This is the second time the DHS has said, no. It will be up to the judge if the government agency is obliged to make the information public. It has yet to be decided. A lawyer for the DHS submitted documents to the court that said, the mere acknowledgement of these records would constitute an unwarranted invasion of Prince Harry's privacy. It continued, the records are particularly sensitive because releasing them, even in part, would reveal Prince Harry's status in the United States, which Prince Harry has not disclosed. Courts consistently hold that a person's visa or immigration status is private, personal information exempt from disclosure.